Hello, in this video I'll show you how to do high-end beauty skin retouching and color grading using Kumoo AI. Kumoo is going to make your life easier as a photographer, because when you use Kumoo, all you have to do is simply move a slider and all the work is going to be done for you by Kumoo. So you can see before and after for this very image. So you're going to be learning every detailed thing that you have to do when it comes to editing and getting the most beautiful photos out of your beauty portraits. So without further ado, let's get started. So in order to download Kumoo, simply check the link in the video description to download Kumoo and install it. And after installing it, import your image and follow along as we edit. So I'm just going to come and I take this back to the single mode, and I will simply reset this very image. So this is a raw image, and the very first thing you have to do when it comes to editing a raw file is first of all adjusting the lighting and contrast issues to your liking before you go in for color grading or doing any skin retouching. So we're just going to come to our color adjustment right here and simply come to the tone option right here where you see tone, and we're going to reduce on the exposure of this very image, and we shall reduce on the highlights and reduce on the whites just like that, and we're going to slightly increase on the shadows and add some contrast to this very image just like that. Then we shall come to the vibrance and simply add some vibrance to the image just like that to make it even pop a little bit more, and we shall just add a little bit of saturation to about 3. So this is where we started before after. There's not much of a difference, but we have been able to correct the lighting and contrast issues regarding this very photo. So once we're done doing that, the next thing is going to be heading into the skin retouching. Like I said, Kumoo is going to be very easy for you as a photographer. So come to where you see the retouch panel, and in retouch we have remove blemishes, skin and other features like makeup, teeth, hair and everything. So we want first of all remove the blemishes. Remember, we want to create a foundation for our skin retouching. So the very first foundation is clearing away the pimples or blemishes from the skin. So come to remove blemishes and remove the acne for the face. Just move that forward, and that is going to remove the acne from the face. Remove acne from the body and remove the body blemishes. So all you have to do, like I said, move these sliders forward so you can remove the forehead wrinkles, remove the dark circles from the eye, remove wrinkles from the eye, remove some cheek lines, and you can even eliminate smile lines, and you can even remove some of the lip lines. Yeah, after you have done those basic adjustments, you can see before after. Then we are going to head into the skin retouching. So just come to the skin option and come to natural gray leveling, and this is going to help us do the dodging and burning. Yeah, the micro dodging and burning. And micro dodging and burning is more of evening out the tonal ranges in the skin area. So you're just going to come and we move this forward like that, and that is going to even out most of the tonal areas in the skin. This is the before so far, after, before, after. You're going to come to the contouring and add shape or dimension to the face. You can see before, after. Then you're going to come to skin refinement effects, and this is going to also help us fine tune the image or the skin area before, after. Then you're going to do the frequency separation as usual like that. I feel like about 97 for a beauty portrait is fine, and do it for also the body to smoothen out the skin. Once you're done doing that, you're going to come to skin texture and add some texture to the skin, and also add a little bit of AI retouch to the face. So let's see the before and after for where we are right now. This is where we started, and this is where we are right now. So once you're done retouching the skin and removing the blemishes, we shall scroll down to where you see skin tone, and under skin tone, that is where we are going to be working on the colors in the skin. So under skin tone, we have various options. We have skin tone balance for the face, body and mouth pore. So this is going to balance out the skin tone for the face. like that, and you're going to do the same for the body like that. And you can see with Kumoo, everything is going to be simply moving sliders, and it's going to be simplified. All you have to do, move a slider. So for mouth pore, this is going to balance out both the face and the body, so that you can have a uniform skin color or skin tone for your subject. Then if you notice that you have select skin tone, so right here you can choose a preset for you as a photographer. So I'm just going to choose this preset, and I feel like this preset is okay. Let's try different presets. So depending on the skin color or skin tone of your subject, you can choose a preset that works for you accordingly. So you can reduce or increase on the intensity to your taste or to your like. It's about 71 is okay for my case. Then I'll reduce on the temperature just like that to add some blues so that it is not too warm. So like that. So once you're done doing the skin retouching and color grading, this is where we started. This is a before, and this is where we are right now, before, after. Like I said, Kumoo has various features, and you're going to be going to those features. So we have face volume, whereby you can play around with different areas in the face. I'll skip this. You can even reshape the face. Yeah, so I'll just skip that too. Then I'll come to the eyes first of all and brighten up the eyes by moving the slider forward and removing the reds from the eyes. So you can see the before, after. Then I'll close this and I'll come to our makeup panel and come to enhance eyebrows and just enhance the eyebrows too. Make them have a little bit more of volume. Then I'll come to enhance eyes makeup and I'll just move this forward so that the makeup on the eyes can pop even more. Then I'll just add a little bit of shadows in the eye area. So once I'm done doing that, you can even come and add highlights to that area. Then you can even enhance the lipstick makeup. So I'm just going to close that. This is where we started, and this is where we are right now, before, after. Then I'm going to come to the hair option and come to the hair part option and move this, and this is going to try to smoothen out the hairline right there. And I can as well come and remove the stray hairs from this very image. So under hair, you can even come and soften the hair. So I'm just going to soften this hair even more so it can look a little bit smoother, because this looks a little bit rough. So this is where we started, and this is where we are right now, before, after, before, after. Once we're done doing that, we have this interesting feature, that is hair colors. So in hair colors, you can alternate or change the color of the hair. So I'm just going to come and I show you the first color right here. You can see it is going to darken that hair. And I'm just going to choose, for example, this color and increase on the intensity. So you can either reduce or increase on the intensity of a given color. So I'll just choose a red color. I feel like red is also cool for this very image. It makes it slightly pop. Then let me choose this golden color and simply increase on the intensity. You can see how beautiful Kumoo is. Yeah, you can see that color too. So you choose any color that works for you and you are going to be good to go. So I'm just going to come and choose, I feel like, let's go with this red color and simply intensify it. So this is what we have been able to achieve. And by the way, you can save this as a preset. So let's see where we started before we save the preset. This is where we started, and this is the final look or the final image that we have. Before, after, before, after, before, and after. So all I had to do is simply move sliders, and Kumoo did the editing and color grading for me. So after that, you can even come and save this as a preset by clicking on the new preset option, and you can rename it to beauty, and you can choose or create a group for it. I'll just call it Kumoo beauty, like that. Sorry about the spelling of beauty. And click on confirm, and the preset is going to be saved. So After saving your preset, you can now come and export or save the image. So to save or export the image, simply come to export, click on it, and it's going to bring up this window or option. And with this, you can choose where you want to save the photo, and simply make sure you put on color space, change to sRGB, and you can as well generate a folder for the project name, and simply click on export to save that very image. So this is how you can edit your photos using Kumoo and get very beautiful beauty portraits using Kumoo AI. Download Kumoo by simply checking the link in the video description to download Kumoo, or simply visit kumoo.ai to download and install Kumoo to enjoy these features that are going to be blowing your mind away. Thank you for watching this very video, and don't forget to try out Kumoo. Keep practicing with Kumoo and keep creating. Make more money as a photographer.